Hello guys, this is DJ Ties, and I would like to give you a demonstration about plugging your cables um, from your CD player to your mixer. As you can see here, there's two cords, one left and one right. I plugged in to the channel 1, I plugged in line, and this two here, so you can see. By the way, these are Monster cable. I pay $80 for all of the cables that you see it here, all the red cables. As you see here, there's red and white. You can plug the red cord to your CD player. There you go. These are so this cord here is connected to a CD player going to the mixer, and as you see here, this one is for my computer, my laptop. This one here is for this guy. It's connected here going to the mixer, and this blue wire here, there's a blue wire here. It's going to the speaker. These are my Pioneer mixer, and I'm gonna give you a little demo about this mixer. It's a very good mixer, and it's very contemporary mixer. A lot of DJs out there, they use Pioneer. It's a very good player. I used to use CDI 500 American Audio, and I was a beginner. I wasn't satisfied, so I upgraded to Pioneer CDJ 1000 and Pioneer DJM 700 mixer. Now we're gonna play a song, and we're gonna hear the sound of a Pioneer mixer. So we're gonna try this, and here we go. Just a part of this song, so this player can just play it again and again. Make sure when you after you play your music, you're doing your DJing, and when you want to turn off your speaker, make sure you turn the volume down, all the way down, before you turn off the speaker. what could happen is you could damage your speaker and you're gonna buy a new one later, and you know it's not a good thing. So make sure before you turn off your speaker, you turn the volume down from the mixer. Okay. The Pioneer mixer. So this is only a demo, so don't mind if I mess it up a little bit. I don't really care right now. It's a demo. This is a CDJ, I'm sorry, DJM 700 Pioneer mixer. It's a lot of knobs there. It's gain, high, mid, and low. And these are the channels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now, channel 1's playing, and that's channel 4. It's off. And this light here is for the effects. Now, I'm going to turn this off. Now let's go over here. I'm going to show you how to use the effects, or I'm going to show you all the effects here that can this mixer do. Okay, so sit tight.